ETECH Myanmar Electronics Company Limited is a leading cable company in Myanmar, jointly established by China ETECH Groups Limited and ETECH. The company is located at number 1 Industrial Zone, Suigan Township, Dadegan, Yangon, Myanmar. Since its establishment, it has continuously improved its own requirements, strengthened its management and corporate culture. The factory covers an area of 8,200 square meters. The plant covers an area of 5,040 square meters and has 18 cable production and processing lines. The annual output exceeds 10,000 K, and the team has more than 10 years of cable industry management experience. We adhere to the tenet of quality first, customer first, and credit first. The goal is to create a first-class enterprise, make first-class products, and operate a first-class team. From design to research and development, from research and development to production, every detail and every process, nearly 1,000 employees stick to the seriousness and persistence day and night, so that each product can be delivered to customers on time with guaranteed quality. More than 20 production processes, 4 inspections, serious in every detail, observe and study in every seriousness. We are making, but also creating. Incorporate the understanding of quality and the sense of trend into the details of the product, and integrate the quality requirements and our quality into the production process. We respect the individuality of the products, start from the needs of customers, and tap the uniqueness of the products. We believe in the power of details, start from the requirements of customers, and complete every production. We regard trust as the source of strength and realize our promise in every bit. Choose Yuao to jointly start the road of intelligent manufacturing.